Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Anubhuti and thanks for tuning in to a new video. Today I'm going to take you to a new creative art space in Bangkok, which is in the mall Central World, and it's called Artcommune. So Artcommune is a creative space where it's a one of a kind of artistic space for artists, art lovers to meet, engage in good ideas, and also do some creative activities together. It's in Central World Mall till 26th of April, which is tomorrow. So today we are just going to go around and see what's going on there. So logistics person, tell us how we are going to the mall.
By following me.
Stay tuned to know how to reach Central World and which way are we going to take. No points for guessing. We are taking BTS because it's convenient and efficient. We are going to go to Chitlom to reach the mall. And we just came at the right time.
Next station, from home. ขณะเข้าออกขบวนรถโปรดระวังช่องว่าง
We are almost here. Akshat, what was the exact location?
Central World, Floor 3,
Yes.
balcony.
Correct.
Artcommune.
We are here. It says where the creative world comes to play. I'm liking this also, and this. Something to remember. These can be like laminated. I kind of like this place. They have a lot of free workshops going around, a couple of really cute artistic creative businesses showing their lovely work. So I'm quite intrigued. So overall, it was a fun trip to the mall. We had some really nice pieces of art I got from the small businesses, and also we have a little keychain made at the workshop. Go to my Instagram, give it a follow, and you'll find all the cute pieces of art in the stories. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.